Positives and Negatives of Technology and Digital Tools, EDU 226 B1600125. Battles of positives and negatives in relation to technology. But who wins? After establishing the positive and negative effects, it is clear to see that the positives outweigh the negatives. Prensky, 2001, established digital natives and digital immigrants. Using this notion, it helps to highlight that there is much more room for improvement within our current learning curriculum. Prensky further raised that technology is beneficial for the younger generation to learn from, as it makes them have a more successful chance of a job in later life due to society adapting over time to technology. There are also other benefits to technology, especially within society and schools. The use of technology helps to support inclusion as well as help those with English as an additional language. As also stated by Kenwell, Tanner, Jones and Beecher in 2008, interactive whiteboards are just one of the many technological resources that help engage learners in their educational journeys. Although there are many positives, there are also some negatives that need to be acknowledged and addressed. Worrying statistics from the National Trust state that 3 in 10 children aged 2 to 15 are either overweight or obese, and that 1 in every 10 children between ages of 5 and 10 are clinically diagnosed with mental health issues, and the constant use of technology has impacted upon this. To conclude, even though there are clear differences between the positives and negatives, it is highlighted that in relation to teaching and learning, technology can be a helpful resource and provide a wide range of opportunities for diversity and inclusion, as well as keeping students engaged with their learning. Therefore, this meaning technology does have an impact upon human life.